Oh, it's still recording, sorry, I just checked my camera to see if it was recording. Still, it is, so we'll move on with everything to the next one. There we have the church here, Tikitiki, at 1831 right there, and this is the chief Pomare, the second, that sold the land at Okiato and Bay of Islands to Clendon, James Reddy Clendon here, and he was running on his own British title outside of the New Zealand titles at that time, and it wasn't illegal because he hooked in these East Coast titles at the same time, and that was the other titles in the South Island were coming from King William as well, in that period of time that he was in cahoots with Wakefield and Hobson coming up at 1840. So James Busby was instrumental in putting Okiato Native Court together and selling the lands with James Reddy Clendon to this man. The Manukau lands were sold to this man. Okay, those lands up north are Manukau lands at Rafiti, and I've got the titles to those from Mohi. Don't want to go any further than that. Chief 1830 Chief Pomare sold 220 acres of land in Kororareka to Clendon lawyer, conveyancer and land sale purchase instruments in Okiato Native Court on 20th March 1834 British legal CT title, certificate of title, which formed the basis of Moai Crown Moriori Paramount Chief Te Waikato Wharahere Waikato Manukau, Te Waikato Manukau, allodial title and partnership under King William IV 1834 Admiralty flag sovereign authority jurisdiction as commercial landowner, Lord of the Sea, claims this exclusive title absolute. That's what I'm saying about this page as cited. Okay, I'll put the citations on it, stamped seal on it on each of these pages. So that's our papal bull title right there at 1831. King William III and King William IV holds their papal bull titles of Admiralty right in this church register. Okay, you got that? Do not doubt me because it's the truth. And so we go down to the documents here that are the writ warrants with the names of all these that we have charged with treason and corruption and fraud. Here are the names. I'm going to read them out. These are the ones we're putting on notice on this video. Your name I'll call out now because you are a threat to our national security in New Zealand, reported to the British Crown government, our partners in Westminster. You have committed crimes of church and state. You have broken your own Crimes Act 1951 and 1961 Acts, and you have committed treason and forged documents on birth certificates against me on the Cook Street land title that we're going to seize, and the police covered it up, and the judges in the courts covered it up, and my barrister lawyers covered it up as well. And you're not getting away with it because you are now going through the legal process of the Waitangi Marae Native Grand Jury Trial Court with these four paramount chiefs, myself, the Land Commissioner of Native Lands, and the creditor of the Moai Powerhouse Bank, and the King William IV Moai Crown Trust. Okay, and our company, Ngā Atua e Wā Aotea Limited, registered company in New Zealand, 1 trillion shares, as the creditor, and also Moai Powerhouse Group Limited, registered company in England, 1 billion shares. That company, those two companies are creditors against you, Bill English, and these people. I'm going to read your names out right now as levy debtors, and we are going to bill debtor charge you in Waitangi. You must come there on the 19th and the 20th. If you don't turn up, you lose the case. You lose the case, and the law we put this law on you of these 42 writ warrant documents that I'm reading out and putting on this video as citations against you, as evidence of fact information, as the commercial land owners of this country with our original native paramount chiefs titles and church titles. St. Patrick's Church, St. Mary's Church in Tikitiki, 1831, and the Clendon, Paumare, Manukau land title at Kororareka or Kiato Native Court at 20th of March 1834 as being the title holders of this country straight to Britain. And we're seizing your titles of New Zealand because you have no queen as a monarch on your documents, you have no seal of Westminster on your documents, and you have no legal authority, no Admiralty flag against our Admiralty flag of 1834 is still live and is the law of the land and the Commonwealth countries of the world and over every other Admiralty title. We're going to seize off the Vatican, the US federal state, the Queen, the Rothschilds, the IMF, off the countries who are using Admiralty and abusing our King's flag, Admiralty, Magistrates, laws, as Lieutenant William Simons, Manukau Company land title in Edinburgh, Scotland, Britain, UK, overall title holder of the world. Okay, so that's that. So they got 14 days. You got another 14 days. That's 28 days to the 20th of May, 2017. So you had long enough period of time to refute these public on Facebook and YouTube. It's not our fault that you can't see it or we can't find you. We will find you one by one after the RAHUI meeting in the Native Land Court in Waitangi on those days. Okay? So these names are the creditors, the debtors levy to Moai Crown and those companies I just said, and the Moai Crown King William IV Trust. We're taking the Queen Victoria Trust as levy debtors instrument over you as well. The 970 million trillion pound note is on your heads. Bill English, Prime Minister of New Zealand, John Key, Panama Papers, fraudster, banker, fraudster, criminal, and Elizabeth Windsor, Queen Elizabeth, fraudster, Jerry Mataparai Andrews, Ambassador to New Zealand under MARAE title, Patsy Reddy, Governor General of New Zealand, current, Helen Clark, Foreshore Seabed, 2004, illegal title, and in the United Nations, development person, you're criminal, Te Ururoa Flavor, Minister of Marine Affairs, you're criminal as well, with your MARAE land titles, corrupted our British titles and Manukau titles. Selwyn Prada, Chairman of Ngāti Pro Runanga, and also the accountants or the man with the checkbook. You get the bill as well as everything against you from the sheriff. Hiriwini Muturangi Te Hokoha, there's the CEO of the Ngāti Pro business. Paula Bennett, Deputy Prime Minister. Simon Powers, Minister of Energy. Jerry Brownlee, Minister. John Martin, Navy Chief in New Zealand, for corrupting our Ship of Admiralty title and flag and the shipmast of Royal Revenue collecting money fraudulently for the New Zealand Government and police, and also the Governor General has not turned up to the meetings we had on Kororareka on top of the hill to meet us, and the chiefs there failed to turn up, failed to show, failed to perform. That's the Navy for you in New Zealand, corrupted the system. Okay, so this battery has run flat now, so I'm going to stop the video right there for now and recharge the battery and record again later. Thank you very much. John Wanoa, Auckland, New Zealand.